Hi, I'm friends. I want to show today how to make in Filmora one interesting video effect of appearance of the video through the fog, through the smoke. I wanted to do it to show you how to do it in After Effects, but in After Effects it's a little bit like complicated, and in Filmora it's easier. But in one of the next lessons we'll do it in After Effects. Okay, so I have a video with one of my movies, trailer Spooky Dance. Actually, we don't need today sound. I will detach audio and delete it. Okay, and I will do it shorter, of course. And I have footage with Smog. Actually, I download it from internet. It's royalty free, so it's okay. So, footage is good. Now, let us firstly trim our video to has the same duration like the footage. And now I will use the mask. Let's click on our video with footage which is on the top and choose here video mask. Okay, now there are a lot of masks, but today I will use this circle mask. It's okay. Let's click on it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this switcher like that. Now I want to animate this mask. Let's go to the very beginning. And from the very beginning, I want the size it to be very, very small. Something like that. Weight and height to be like this. Let's click and choose keyframes. Now, at the blur strength, I will slide a little bit the slider to be not like 0%, but something like 13%. It's okay. Now let us slide our slider to the end of our video and change the size of our mask, something like this, and the height, not to the end, it will be nicer, and change a little bit the scale, like this. I think it will be okay, enough. And let's see the blur. Let it be like 30%. Okay, now let's choose our key frames, of course, and let us see what happens, how it works. So it like video disappears slowly and becoming wider, bigger in a smoke. I think it's good. I like it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.